In fact, when this issue came, I've communicated with some very great imams of this country.
Okay.
Many of them come pa. And penny for almost Islam or my way. Many of them come. Almost a chiro margin. I can't see me a chireme.
Okay.
Now 2024. The reason why people thought say I was against Bawumia was because of this same agenda. Because in 2024, the Arabs were supporting Bawumia and they were sponsoring him to become the president because of this agenda.
I see.
Because of what I saw. And that was why I was insisting, say, when he became the president at that time, Ghana will not go well. 2028 is not for MPP, so.
Oh, really?
Yes.
2028 and MPP there?
No.
It will not change anything.
No, it won't change anything. Whoever comes, yes.
Hey, are they aware?
They should be aware.
Oh, I see.
It's not for them. It is only one thing that will make MPP come to power. When Asiedun Ketia becomes the flag bearer for him, NDC.
Sir, Asiedun Ketia, Ebeye Franco Tuni de ma NDC dia, and no pay and a better chance of MPP. About power. That
is the only way.
Oh, I see. Until I just say indirectly, no, Asiedun Ketia should not lead the NDC.
No, Asiedun Ketia is the most. Yes, Asiedun Ketia is the.
On social media, there's an agenda be a ekoso amanfo edi unkomo in secret places. Na enkomo amudi ni ese enkofuku pesamura Ghana number taking over the system. Now, Prophet Bosheba could din komo Angel FM. Na nkomo di okodi eno enwa pa asem ni nyina ho entoma. Prophet Edin Common watch them say one of the reasons I know so say Dr. Bawumia'S emerged as the president of Ghana. Me say the Arabs were sponsoring him during the campaign. So to me we need they will use that one as a medium to take over the system. And then how many will say Education Minister Honorable Haruna Edusu I introduce a new curriculum. Now in that curriculum no and Chinese and also Arabic in their schools. When our prophet Edin come say that is another strategy because Dr. Bawumia'S agenda failed. Now they want to use the education minister to find a way of entering the system. Prophet Edin come say Honorable Asiedun Ketia emerged as a flag bearer of NDC party in India. And that means that they are going to lose power in their next election. Meji Prophet Bosheba enkom shedi, but enkomo akodi eneno. I think it's a chance so. Kame honi mbora NGER TV. Nienko ti enkomodia Prophet Bosheba akodi o na ye kon message ni demwa. Comment section one mo yodia. Obechire wadwen e ho hodia ma na free demwa. Mema remfi. Subscribe my page no mi adomano so na me upload bi anso na on sabeti maka.
Okay. Right. Minimal say na say mu uhun say NPP for organize a vigil edema chama won to me.
Yeah.
Now my for be say na wawu because vigil dey obi owu ni. Did you see it?
Yes, I've seen it.
You've seen it, eh?
Yes.
How did you feel about it?
Well, it's good.
With regards to vigil.
Yeah. I think said they gone there to pray. Bible said Mra ye chi Peter go to prison. Yeah, they poor. When you go to prison, omo bompaye.
Okay.
Paul ne sala se bompaye.
Okay.
Na ye di Peter so call ye Bible say Mra ye kun John no ye hwe ye na chese say ejidi for bompaye. Enti omo bompaye ma Peter free prison.
Okay.
Enti so who say the omo Peter go to prisoner. I think that it's good they gather and pray.
All right. So you think that it's fine.
That's it.
Right, but before I chama wound to me sentence no elba no. Afutu obey e na wo. Apostle Olam Bosheba o de man no a wan fa anya adwuma.
Well, Chema won't me as a mankasa there. In fact, I am here. So sometimes I feel like say I will stop talking about it. But I'll go into details.
Okay. But I for
so I ended yes.
Okay.
Because sometimes I think says and can you pass you a mirror and can you reach Chema won't to be say. Ni pasu ye mra ati ye ma refie ya na ti ye ma refie. You know, when we were talking at that time they were in power. Intina the arrogance and the money they have and the fame they have will not allow them to listen to us. And at that time, mind you, they have tagged me as an NDC prophet. Yes.
Oh, okay.
And that was the time they were chasing me with national securities, with BNI. Yes, and all that. So,
and what, bro?
Yes, my brother.
I see.
Yeah, bre. It's also when you are talking, they won't listen to you and they won't take your words. But before I come there, now who sure they be what a no so.
Yes.
Na me sunyani.
Yes.
Me na mo se sunyani KFC.
You saw it, yes.
Wa na nyame ekase mi chire me.
Okay, my
sunyani no.
Oh yeah.
Na me de ni dia na sunyani na me ni da so. And nyame ka che me se men kan che se ya ambassador de bi beba. Ambassador ade bi beba. Deal bi beba. Na sa deal ne ba e do be akwa de wa kusi parliament.
Ohima we ye je.
I know bo. Sunyani so da me ya de mu a. Enti se honhom na ka bibia kire enimu ya de na je sa.
E do be eye ambassadoria ye fe ne say. Deal bi a e be ba wa kwan so na e do be tutu kwan. E do be kokko baabi.
Okay.
Na e do be kwa atwa no ho a
Oh yeah.
Na bebi e do be kusie no e do anamoto be kusi parliament. Na parliament na ko no mo say posters bo body e tare sunyani.
I see.
Okay.
And yes, sunyani for me bo me ba. Home na say ajara sta mra de na me ba fie.
Na obeba be som sunyani fo.
Okay.
No be som o my Ghana.
That's right.
Said they me share Captain Smart Hong Kong. I ne walk.
Ne ho adi no.
Sanso na beba no.
Okay.
Sanso ene beba no.
Amen.
Na bibi entumi ntwem.
That's right. Yeah, they don't go
bibi entumi ntwem. Na ebeba mu so.
That's right.
Yeho nhyira.
Amen.
Timi be hia Hong Kong e ka ho asem. E de futuo emma no. Se ontu ho anamo. Enye sa. Dia mi hu no. Ye de hu ebeba mu. Eti onturo to na ontu ho anamo. Enam so ma ne bra a your friend of Frank Boisiako entry Boisiako efrɛ me e ma me ni di nkomo hye no nkom kan ne papa ho nsɛm nyina ka sɛ nyamensa da ne bra no so na mmom ade e besi no kwan e the prison gate. But Chamawuntumi would have become the national chairman of the MPP. But I said the prison gate and the best stop,
Oh,
the prison gate. And when it comes to Chamawuntumi, I think, yes, so we can see there that he would have become. Said that Michelle Koka Hong Kong.
This was in July last year, right?
Yes, this was last year. This was last year. Satan no count 2024 then abesi. And last year so Mr. Khan yes say your mom pay much Chamawuntumi. If you say your sha nanka, and so your national chairman.
I see. Now so na kwensi die no.
Se Koka die na tumi abemo a. Nanka se Chamawuntumi die.
So die no bem. Now so say 1 year city.
That is it.
I see. So your city and Kadia ne bedan, especially when this is a court with evidence and was sentencing to prison. And Kadia ne be man asesa.
Well, when I saw it, there was no court case. At the time I saw it, there was no court case.
Okay.
At the time I saw it, the prison gate was not open. He was standing at the prison gate, not getting MBA. Until you went to Manka, you bet me home baby.
I see.
By the time I saw that the prison gate open, I communicated it.
Okay.
And I must say prison gate na den. E be aye de chama wuntumi den. Kwakorim.
I'm on spirituality on Monday. Jimmy Angel FM. Mohima mene Apostle Olambo Sheba ena etwetwe enko. Minim sorry I will say Minister of Education Oma introduced here Honorable Haruna Idrisu. Oma introduce AI, coding, Chinese Kasa, even Arabic to the basic schools. Now, spiritually, have you seen anything about that?
Yeah.
Share with us.
I will leave the coding because it is good.
Okay.
I'll leave the AI because it is good. Right. But I'll come to the Chinese and Arabic.
And then I see what Chinese and Arabic do you know?
Well, I will come to the Chinese first.
Okay.
Then I'll come to the Arabic.
Right.
Kaimen Komshe said China will colonize Ghana. Remember that prophecy.
Yeah.
And according to that prophecy, it is something they are working on till 2040, as the Arabs are also working to 2040. And the first, Ebesha say if we Tema better than Chinatown. We will not call it Tema again. It will become Chinatown. China for be Jaffa. Ebejo omo de asaseno. China for be only the land of Tema. And that is how they will come into Ghana. But you know, say obi besha woso no obi be di uswa. The first thing is language. Language ne nipa edi di uso first. The agenda is we will start from the schools. Because we will start it from the young. Yes, cut them young. And we will start it from the schools. Ne ye chire wo mo a na chese o munyini a, then we can colonize them easily. Now let's come to the Arabic. I don't think that it is good to introduce Arabic in our schools, in our public schools. I don't think it is good. And I don't think it will help us as a country. In fact, when this issue came, I've communicated with some very great imams of this country.
Okay.
Many of them didn't come up and penny for Islam or my way. Many of them didn't come up. Almost what chiro I can't see me at
Okay.
Now, 2024, the reason why people thought say I was against Bawumia was because of this same agenda. Because in 2024, the Arabs were supporting Bawumia and they were sponsoring him to become the president because of this agenda.
I see.
Because of what I saw. And that was why I was insisting, say, when he became the president at that time, Ghana will not go well. What will happen? The Arab would have come to the country and built these Arab schools, universities, Arab hospitals, Arab companies.
I see.
And it would have been all over the country.
Domination, eh?
Now, in their universities, all they will teach is these Arabs. That is what they will teach. Now, in their hospitals, if you can't speak Arab, you can't work there. If you can't speak the Arabic language, you can't work there. The companies they will build, if you can't speak Arabic, you can't work there. Now, what was the agenda at that time? The agenda is that we will come, and when we come, we will introduce this Arabic in the basic school. And then say the yepese yema Islam it take over UK no. We also make sure it take over Ghana.
Okay.
Because I've already prophesied about the UK. Say Islam will take over UK. Now the same agenda is in Ghana. When we are talking like this, we are not talking about our brothers here.
Okay.
We are not talking about our Muslim brothers that we have here. Because these ones are our brothers. We have lived with them. We have eaten with them. We have grown with them. We have them, as friends. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
But we are talking of the Arabs. Now, so this is the agenda they want to do. Okay, but the Bawumia one no unsucceeded. It has not succeeded.
Right.
And they want to fulfill this agenda by 2040. The Obampaya Kai Ghana. If you say the devil's agenda for Ghana is just too much. Say your Bompaya yen Kai Ghana. Your Mompaya Ghana. And so I'm perceiving in my spirit that these Arabs still want to use the education minister for their agenda. That is what I am perceiving in my spirit as a prophet.
Oh.
That they will still want to use the education side to fulfill their agenda. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So what is wrong with our Makranta? We teach it there. Do you get me?
By extension, it didn't say introducing it to.
Why should it be so? If you want to bring the Arabic, then we are making sure as Christians you have to bring the Jew, and you have to bring also the Hebrew.
There's entry Jew in Hebrew.
That is it.
Say a better Arabic there.
Then you must teach the Jew.
Education Minister, Honorable Haruna Idrisu, where spirituality.
Because Semede Meba school as a pastor, as a prophet, then they are teaching near Meba Arabic school. Then my son will come to me and say, now I want to be a Muslim. Do you understand me? Now I want to be this, or I want to be that.
As influence, no.
Then the influence will be going.
Right.
And then there will be, these things will not help her because we'll have our lane. We have Islamic schools in this country. And we have Christian schools in this country. So I think that we should set that boundary as a country.
Okay.
Say this is what brings problems to nations. And this is what brings problems to countries. And I think we have Islamic school. At the point in time,
Okay.
At the point in time, We all love our brothers and sisters here. That is it. Do you get it?
That's right.
So I don't think it is good to introduce in public schools.
Okay.
We
In public schools.
Public schools.
Basic schools, you know, there be makranta na ye. Why?
Yeah.
Na enkramofonu nso Arabic no makranta.
Because I don't
influence,
think
no.
that is it.
Spirituality
it will not
say
help.
there's an agenda.
It will not help.
It is a cost of the just agenda na and almost
not just agenda no cost.
Right. Summarize the prophecies ahead of the election, no.
Yeah.
The Ashanti Regional Chairmanship.
Yeah.
The Ekosi na Koka. Even before Chama Untumi. So I even heard say no walk cry no sister won't offer form man menim say na no cry. And summarize our party ni na ma me na fe you move it to other area.
Okay. Now we'll come to the chairmanship election.
Yes.
Hey, Koka de no.
Yes.
Is it a Koka na chairman Untumi de no?
Koka de no teacher.
Okay.
Koka de na chese de nyame atrafa no ho no. Ene na ebem.
Okay.
Because when we say at that time we say chairman Untumi a free regional no aba national.
Okay.
Now Koka I take you over in Ashanti region. So as for Koka, he is supposed to become the next Ashanti regional how do you call it? Chairman for the MPP. Yeah. And that is what has happened.
Okay.
And I think say no crowd here. Abemudada.
Okay.
So we'll move from there. Okay. But Chambi want to be the prison gate has stopped him. So he cannot be there and become. So as for that one, it is off. Yes, it is off.
81 about MPP for 2028 election. Osha why? Then
2028 is not for MPP, so.
Oh really?
Yes.
2028 and MPP there.
No.
It will not change anything.
No, it won't change anything. Whoever comes, yes.
Hey, are they aware?
They should be aware.
Oh, I see.
It's not for them. It is only one thing that will make MPP come to power. When Asiedun Ketia becomes the flag bearer for him, NDC.
Sir, Asiedun Ketia, Ebeye Franka Tuni de ma NDC dia, and no pay and a bema chance ama NPP. About power. That
is the only way.
Oh, I see.
Ohima, we a J.
Until I just say indirectly, no, I say Dunketia should not lead the NDC.
No, I say Dunketia is the Moses. Yes, I say Dunketia is the Moses of the NDC party, the road holder. I call it the
Angel 102.9.
So the moment he come in, the green pot is broken. How would the green pot break? Moses will not say Joshua ne Caleb Eko Okona. Wono ensesa ukobi wujina people no so na for wa hon den yeden eta wo machi no mun kodi mamaye
till the bia na so valid sense so move
no so Asienu Ketia is the most powerful person you can find in the NDC.
I see.
The party is not in the hands of Mahama. The party is in the hands of Asienu Ketia.
Ohima we a J.
Do you understand me?
Okay.
So say Asiedun Ketia ekase ono so eba race ni mo no no so abe contest bia. Then it means the green pot is broken.
Okay.
Then the road will fall. And that is when power will be lost.
I see. This is according to Apostle Olam Bosheba on your Jumania Spirituality Angel 102.9 Monday Anopay. A French honorable Zenato when to be in your defense ministry position. No?
Yeah.
Nia wouldn't come here now, can ye and I did see with regards to Broja, Jemfi and all that.
Yeah.
Let me that to Yama.
Okay. Well, when it comes to Zenato, I've already said it several times that her position is not defense. Defense is not for her. And you know, when we are talking, we are just saying what we are seeing. But sometimes when you are saying what you are seeing, people think you don't like the person. If you say, penasem and I will no and I will say, but we are just telling you what we are seeing as a prophet. We are messengers. No, I don't have any issue with Zenato. I don't even know her. I've not met her before. In fact, I've not seen Zenato physically before. So how will I have issue with her? How will I have problem with her? Defense is not for her. So I was saying that she will get an appointment and she will get environment, but she will not get defense.
It's the Oka Efa Broja Jemfi against the Zenato and then finally connects a J rather becoming the minister. No?
Yeah. I think it is one of the good things. I was looking at all people, but I was not looking at Kenneth.
Okay.
In fact, I've put several people there, including everybody. I've put several people there.
Because one fan until you didn't see him.
No, I didn't even see him.
And that became a
my
conflict.
mind was not even there.
Okay.
So I was just looking at, okay, now Broja Jemfi has got experience. Now, the best person to trust is Broja Jemfi. He has got experience. So let's put him there to make him the main so that we'll get a deputy for
but
him.
But spiritually, whilst our own course, the spirit should be able to reveal that.
Yes, we see in part and we prophesy in part.
Okay.
When I've not gone there, I will not see what is happening there. So later when, people were bringing him to me, people were talking about him, then I realized that, he was once a deputy defense minister. And so, I've not prayed about it.
Okay.
I've not
so
looked
that's
into
not what you saw?
No. But once he has become, we'll pray for him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now share with us again because we call by a crowd in Zambia for NGER Zambia election currently also tell Africa about it.
Okay. So the Zambia election is still ongoing, but according to my prophecy, Hichilema is still the president of Zambia. It will not change, and it has not changed.
That's what you see.
It will not change, and it has not changed. Hichilema is still the president of Zambia. It will not change.
Okay.
Why is it so? Now, with this Hichilema we are talking about has left the will of God, but there is nobody God can find to replace him.
Okay.
Nyame nyobi obetumidi are replacing Hichilema, so he will still be the president.
Okay.
And he will still win the election.
Right. Ugusute Jumanie Ewo Angel FM. This is all the way Zambia election. Apostle Olan Bosha Badi Ohunono. Until say ensasa. Until after that, no, you be Fred and no Eddie a home come based on the outcome. But now again, Ghana for any now, so I say Woma when ni Eje wo home.
Well,
should be happy for that. We do not know.
Well, the country will be good. So we should all pray for Ghana.
Oh my Ghana, nebe.
Yes.
Now 15 Ghana promotion. I'm for it. So I won't.
That is disgraceful, but we will get there.
And I'll see you.
Yes. Yes. Omano be Mekase ebe discover minerals all over Ghana. That is why you could see the devil's agenda is on the country and it's on the nation because of where we are going as a nation. And if you want this nation to be the beautiful Ghana you want, pray for Atufosi.
What do you see with regards to more presidential contest?
Atufosi.
Yes.
It's Atufosi.
That
is it.
That
is it.
Is it because of the way you handle your economy? No, and I said
I prophesied about Atufosi before.
Okay.
This is coming. When people were prophesying about Asidun Kitia, and when everybody was looking and saying, I was prophesying about Atufosi.
This is Angel 102.
And then you could see some of the prophets are now turning their mouth. They are now coming to Atufosi's lane.
Okay.
Some of them are now turning. Because at that time they were prophesying about Joshua.
But no, why constant? I feel I'm off a movie.
They are coming to the light now.
But I see a Dube contested here. In what you see, does it look like I see a Dube contested?
He must not. That is why I say he was not in the. He must.
But you cannot tell whether he will still go ahead or not.
Because I've seen that he has an interest. If I don't know whether I can send you that thing to put there for me.
Okay.
In 2024, that about. I think 2024, that about. I said that I've seen that in my vision. I am seeing that he has an interest.
Okay.
So when somebody have the interest, it means the person has the interest.
Oh, penny so obey.
Only Joshua Labi.
And I will check this. I say, oh yeah.
And I'm so only Joshua Labi.
Joshua Labi, so okay.
So I'm begging for MPP flag bearer.
It's Joshua Labi sober.
Yes, and to become the president.
I'm our interest.
But it's for Atufosi. They can't at that time.
Okay.
So I am still on it that whether they come, but whether these people come or not, Atufosi is the flag bearer of the NDC.
This is Angel 102.9.
Whether they come or not, Atufosi is the flag bearer.
But is there a name you have not mentioned? As surprisingly, possibly lady NDC
Not now.
Okay.
Because what I'm looking at, I just want Atu to come. So that the
but I was hearing chief of staff some time ago.
He is not in the
prophets
race.
Were mentioning chief of staff.
He is not in the race.
But you don't see him in the race.
He is not even in the race.
Okay. Right, and finally, what do you think Ghanaians should pray about? Say, I say if you should that will be the final question.
Now, okay. There are several things I've written down that we have to look at as a nation and as a country. Now, see your chance na Yankoswa and Mompaye. I want national security. I want the interior ministry. I want the defense ministry to watch our borders.
Okay.
Omoma omeni enko your borders. The borders of this country.
Okay.
They should watch the borders of this country.
Against a lot of one. Kona sese operation bi kura course Ghana Commercial Bank ya. No omo no mo boko.
Where there enya lot of work.
Before oni ama foforo bi na.
Where there I'm talking about the agenda of the Boko Haram and the militants.
I see.
Now, how will this happen? They are plotting and they are planning how to enter into Ghana. And the negotiation is ongoing. The planning is ongoing. How do we enter Ghana? They are still planning it.
Okay.
And so, as I said, defense ministry, as I said, interior ministry, national security ministry, as I said, omoma omeni ekoya borders.
Almost tighten up the borders. Okay.
The borders should be very tight. Now, adia yabo home pie na say, ye nya obia, or ye selfish. No one could be a ponono, a man could be enrem.
Right.
We should not get somebody that is selfish and now be used to get something. Just any pan de obey die, any de obey yenti.
Okay.
Now we jano ho ama ya could be a ponono. That is it. Abe real man because these things will start from Banda. This thing will start. They will start entering, and they will start attacking people from the north. They will start attacking people from the north to come to the country.
When you comedy a Prophet Bosheba Ekodi or NGTV, this has been a top conversation. Many are showing great interest in. Mesra say, comments is one of my what they are doing Chibiano, but they go there my new house if I j yen say me free the one subscribe page ni me adomono so me send me upload biansona on sabit maka.